Hello everyone and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to share a trend information on Google Trends to your email or share it with your friends. Step 1. Search on Google Trends. Visit Google Trends and enter the term you're interested in sharing in the search bar. Step 2. Use the share icon. Look for the share icon, often a rightward facing arrow, located in the upper right area of the Trends page. Click this icon to see your sharing options. Step 3. Choose how to share. Decide how you'd like to share the trends information. You can share it on social media platforms, via email, or by copying and pasting the direct link wherever you wish. Sharing data from Google Trends is straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can disseminate valuable trends insights through various channels, engaging your audience or colleagues with relevant information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.